we are breathing new life into the program.
So,
it's like
guys,
a second breath.
Yes.
I have a little bit of a confession.
Oh my god.
Fucking fashion.
Slut, 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 bros. Slut, 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 bros. Slut, 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 bros.
It's been, I knew this is how it was gonna be. Alright, our special guest has arrived.
Here we go, everybody. For the first time ever in Slopper's history, Phantom Price, everybody! Fan of Price, Price of Fan, thank you so much for coming. This is amazing. Great to have you here.
But we gotta bet the donation after this.
Which we're pretty much, I mean, we're pretty much doing that here, right?
Well, no, that one,
bonus.
because that subscription was $3, so we gotta do a easy peasy 3.
Okay.
Having the two there is good. Go up, bitch. Yep.
Okay, now move together.
Now get together. Get together. Yes. No, we're looking good.
Okay, together,
Nice.
together. Yes, there we go.
That's still
This
good.
is still
though.
good.
That's still
This-
good.
Oh yeah.
That's all we need. It'll line up either way.
Oh, it went away.
No, why would you disappear?
You son of a bitch. $17 though.
well,
That's good.
look at the
that's a
start we
great-
have with the multiplier. It's a great start with the multiplier.
It is. You're right. But dude, having those two, like, oh, if they would have
Right,
just stayed
I
one more
know.
spin.
Yes, I warned everybody about that video.
I want
Now
to see
just
it.
drop a shield.
Shieldies.
You need a
Oh, you
shield.
can see it now.
I gotta verify my email.
Nice.
Oh,
This is gonna be tough. Okay.
okay. Drop a
We can
shield.
Drop another shield.
Yeah,
Yeah.
drop a shieldy. Can they drop a shield?
Yeah.
Ah, they should be able to.
Or is it just on first?
There we go.
That's a good
okay,
hit.
we gotta keep this going. We gotta keep this going. Nice. There we
Move
go.
together.
Now they're gonna get together. Yes.
Beautiful.
Here we go. Go off, bitch. Yes, nice.
Ah,
bitch.
35
needed them.
bucks.
Well, that's total win.
Maybe.
I guarantee you.
Ah.
Yeah, Gabe, you silly goose. Gabe.
Such an idiot. God.
No, it's, I
We
just
got
don't
some
want him to
spins
get his
left.
hopes
Let's
up.
drop some
Just keeping it
shields.
real.
Okay.
Hey.
Up. Yeah, there we go.
That's what we needed,
yeah.
actually.
Okay. Now where?
Okay,
I'm
now
not sure.
give us one
Oh,
more.
this is gonna be tough. Okay.
Give us purple bitches. Let's
Oh, that
go.
works. That works.
Purple women.
Oh. I don't know about that. Oh, we did.
We'll take that.
We did work.
Not bad.
We'll take
We
that.
did work here.
Nice.
There we go.
Sometimes I just gotta lay it on the table, honestly. That's for another time, I suppose.
There's the portal. Oh, wipe the prices
I mean,
back.
I was within 3 spins of guessing that exactly right.
Even a blind squirrel finds a nut once in a while.
No, no. Credit. Okay, now we're. This is the bonus.
Oh, cool.
Oh, the helmet. Nice.
We got a helmet?
Okay.
I'm so confused.
This is the bonus, and it's very strange.
Okay, baby.
Oh,
we
we're
also
dead.
take
We're,
damage.
we're doomed.
More like bone us.
Oh. Man, Fan, I did not realize
All
you were so funny.
right.
3 backups.
AJ
of
is
course.
literally hyperventilating over
after
here.
a
We need
few-
to get out of this game.
After a few Blue Moon IPAs, I get a little looser.
Oh.
Swabe, I'm getting you a drum roll in 3, 2, 1.
I'm
Drum
trying to get like a
roll.
good look on this.
Anonymous just hit 420. Do that mouth count. Oh my lord. I'm waiting. Oh, did you hear that? It's good. Come on,
It's an interesting
Farmeroni.
flavor. Can't tell. It's an interesting flavor.
Yeah, artificial peach is a little weird, but it's not bad.
All right,
Thank you,
Ashley,
random.
I think we should buy it.
Game
do
was
it.
on a
7.
Nintendo Direct.
7 coins, but this is
I mean,
it.
I know the
Yeah.
game. I just didn't know it was based
You
in
guys aren't
Colorado.
listening.
I'm listening.
I know
Let's
you
go.
are.
It's really good. Oh, repro, it's really
John
good.
Lab.
$4. That's $4 in this.
Let me ask you this: Is it on Game Pass? Because I just got PC Game Pass.
Well,
Haven Springs or something. Colorado Springs.
you really?
It's loosely based on maybe.
was there something on there that you wanted, or did you just get it because you didn't want it to?
That's 610
It was
in the
just,
bank.
well, there was a couple of things that I wanted to play on there, but it was
We
$1
get a
for
couple
the
more.
first month,
We'll
so-
be in good shape.
Yeah. This is actually a really
I
How
mean, the
much
Game
was
Pass
the
has
How
like
much
a-
was the buy bonus?
It's nice, honestly.
24.
I mean,
It is on Game Pass. You're shitting me, Price. I'm definitely gonna play that.
Is it 2-player price? Because me and Gabe will then play it together.
I don't want to play with him.
Well, I don't care if
Swabe.
he wants to.
Gross.
Well, Phil, it doesn't matter if he wants to.
Yeah, his PC sucks. It can't handle it anyway. There we go.
Wait, that's a collection.
Oh,
Nice.
by the
Oh,
way,
14.
everybody, I am dangerously close to completing my PC, by the way.
No, it's single
He
player.
could, but he won't.
You like it though, Price? Because I've heard about that. I've heard a lot of people liked it. I definitely check it out.
I gotta buy a new GPU.
I have PC Game Pass Repro,
Dude.
which is basically Xbox Game Pass, but just on the PC.
Here we go. Come on, treasure chest. There. Oh,
Yeah.
there. This
I
game's
knew it. I knew
bad.
this was the game. I frickin' knew it, man. We're not even done, brah. Brah. Dude, I need like, can I get like 4 to 7 ices?
Cubes?
Yeah, look it.
So last week after the stream, get this, at like 12:30 in the morning, maybe 1, I ordered a brand new CPU, and it was there before 10 in the morning the next day.
That was very impressive, yeah.
It was there before I woke up.
$30 hit right there, baby.
Come on, bets. Oh, now we're cooking.
I mean, we've been cooking.
Come on. Yeah, there we
Nice.
go.
This is gonna bring us back to frickin' slot life, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Slipe.
Repro, yeah, I totally agree, and that's the thing is like I haven't been locked on a specific game lately, so I just kind of wanted to get something that gives me a library of a bunch of shit that I can pick from, and I did PC Game Pass. First month I get it for $1, so I'm just gonna check it out and see
That's
what's
a
up with it.
$69 win.
Nice.
69, dude. Oh,
Thanks,
again.
There we go,
Damn.
baby.
We brought we are breathing new life into the program.
So,
It's like
guys,
a second breath.
Yes.
I have a little bit of a confession.
Oh my god.
Fucking fashion.
Yeah. So, I know you didn't notice because I was very, very slick about it, but I'm actually a fan of Price. Shit.
What?
I'd rather not.
And her hair that you thought was.
You gotta be kidding me!
I know, and you thought her hair, which was.
I thought
so
you were just
lovable.
shitting and she was just talking to Boo.
God.
It's a wig.
Oh,
Ashby
know.
revealed that she's a fan of Price.
I know.
what can you believe anymore? Oh.
The good news is.
Unbelievable.
There's good news, everybody. Wait.
I did bring enough weird glasses for everybody.
Oh.
Working for the shot.
Alright.
No, you gotta do sideways.
I don't fucking know.
I know.
I don't live here.
Okay.
It just says IV camera. I broke it. Oh, it's working that way. Alright. Chug, 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 chug. I still have a knife. Chug, 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 chug.
Ugh.
How
I
much is
think there's
left?
like maybe some crumbs in here. But... Alright. I'm gonna be fine. Ooh, that was. See, if that was a 12-ounce can, we would have been fine.
Just wanted to pick
All right, so I do want a shotgun here.
Win.
And I'm just
saying, all these bitches better look out.
Oh.
This is a max
fine.
win in the makings right now.
Say it one more time.
I said, all these bitches better